shine. I don't know if you guys can see. It's beautiful. It's the D-Day to show my stomach. Beautiful couple. I have no idea. We're gonna compare it to the past, for a week ago, yeah. So I'm gonna put the video up so you can compare and see if actually I did something. So, for 1 week, I'm putting the video up. This from that one to this one. I'm not breathing, This is what we don't have, the one that used to be here anymore. This is what we have. What do you guys think? Be honest. Did I work hard? I have not eaten any swallow. Everything I had fruits, yogurt. Yeah. So let's tell the stomach welcome. Let's massage. I got this for the oil. So first let's put it. Let's use this. It's gonna be very nice. Should tell you guys I'll be traveling in a few days. Let's see how this is gonna look like. How many of you miss my stomach? Don't come and tell me that I did not do well. If I breathe in, you see? Look! Amazing! It looks really nice. It's pink color. Wow. Oof. Okay. We have missed it. And I haven't toilet this morning. If I toilet, it goes down more than expected. I used to have here, it'd be like blah, blah, blah. But it's not. I think it's working. I was supposed to do a lot of house chores today, but our gas just finished, so I cannot do some of those. The video today will not be long. I was just here to show you guys my stomach, and I want you guys to compare. Then tomorrow, we'll continue from where we stopped. Do a little bit of exercise. I cannot do it in here because this my up and down is not helping. But meanwhile, I hope to get positive in comments from you guys.